All right, guys, last break of the night, and it's an autographed full-size helmet from Gold Rush. So this is Series 2. Looking for a major hit out here. We already pulled an Aaron Rodgers out of Series 2 right there. There's some other really nice names that you can find. Jim Brown, Baker Mayfield, which would be pretty sweet. You got Drew Brees. You got Terry Bradshaw. Saquon's in this. There's a Joe Montana catch. So there's a bunch of really nice helmets in this series. So here's the rundown on this. We got Brandon N with the Falcons and the Cowboys. Brian B with the Chiefs. Darren's got the Cardinals, Ravens, Bears, Lions, Jags, Vikings, Raiders, Eagles, Seahawks, Bucks, and Redskins. James W with the Giants. Jason B with the Steelers and Titans. Jason M with the Patriots. Jeff H with the Broncos, Colts, and Chargers. Lawrence D with the Rams. Nick's got the Bills, Panthers, Bengals, Dolphins, and Jets. Ray with the Browns, Packers, Texans, and Saints. And then Zach, you picked up your 49ers. Nate, thanks, man. Have a good week, buddy. All right. So it's all sealed up here and on the bottom. All right, looks like another college football helmet. Uh-oh, Alabama. Let's burn it now. I know some Falcons guys around here that would love to have this helmet. It's a nice looking helmet here. JSA certified. It's going to be a Calvin Ridley. Nice Calvin Ridley helmet going to the Falcons. So Atlanta, it's going to be Brandon N. So Brandon, congratulations on the Calvin Ridley. It's a nice helmet there. We'll get that helmet mailed out to you tomorrow. And next weekend, we'll be moving into to another Hit Parade Series helmet. So got 4 or 5 of those. Patrick Mahomes and some other really nice names are in that series. So go check that out. It's on eBay now. It'll end Saturday night, and we'll break it here on Sunday.